And this is a video of my feet. I'm just kidding. Look, he's walking. Hi. Are you gonna walk? At 4 months old? Aww.
It's over 5 minutes. Oh no, 25 minutes.
That's the Wicked Witch of the West talking. She's real and exists. You tell him. Yeah, they're squirting it all over your house. Maybe we'll get high off it. Just kidding. Tell him, say I need help. Say, where's my stick? No, he's talking.
He's talking. Yeah.
You're a good boy, huh?
I want something to eat.
He's gonna try to roll around now. Are you? Grandma, he's just talking. My Lord. Say not every video can be perfect. Tell him why you're mad. Okay, we'll stop torturing him.